Guys, it's Maya, aka Planet Quiet, and today I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am so excited. I got a squishy package from Deliteful Boutique. It's a birthday squishy package. My birthday was 2 days ago, but my mom ordered it 2 weeks before my birthday, and it's coming from Australia. So I mean, it's as to be expected that it took 2.5 weeks, I think. Because Australia is on the complete other side of the world from the United States, so it's totally okay that it took a little over 2 weeks. And I am so yeah, I am wearing the same clothes I was in my last video because I'm filming 3 videos today. So I filmed me opening up a Bang It squishy package, and I'm filming a Deliteful Boutique package. Yeah, without further ado, let's just get opening on this package.
Yeah, opening on this package.
I don't know what's inside of this, but I am still going to open it with you guys, and so it won't be really, I'll be surprised. I almost just cut myself. Okay, how do I open this? They literally tape this up so good. I've seen other videos where people cannot get open or cannot get into theirs, and I always thought that they were oh, they must need some stronger scissors or something. Literally, this tape though is industrial. Okay, that works too. I'm just ripping off the whole top. See? I mean, it works. I'll get into it.
I am... Ooh, it smells like chocolate. Okay, so let's see what I got. I'm going to open up the little baggie with everything inside. So here's the little baggie. Okay, so first of all, here is the extra that they sent me. Thank you so much for this extra. They have small extras if you buy 1 or 2 squishies, and then they have bigger extras if you have more, and you can get all the way up to an actual Snowy. But this squishy is just a mini snowy bun, I guess you could say. And it has a little Snowy sticker, and it's the girl Snowy. And I love this metallic-y shiny finish. This is by Deliteful Boutique. Has a little air bubble, which I love because I love air bubbles. And then it comes with the I Love Deliteful Boutique card, and then you can win a free squishy if you do the back things, which I'm definitely going to do because who doesn't want a free squishy? And then they give you a little note card, and then the invoice, which is just a regular invoice. So now we can get the squishy out. This is huge. I did not think that it was gonna be this huge. So it's basically the size of my hand. Not even. It's not even the size of my hand. See, look at it. That's the size of my hand. It's still bigger. So it's probably bigger than the size of my face. And I love this packaging. I'll move the box and get closer here. I love this packaging. It's like a little house. Yeah, it's a little house, and on the side it says I Bloom Tokyo. And yeah, so it's this I Bloom Pain du Matin. Here's the name. I probably just butchered that, but Pain du Matin, and it's up there too. And I got the chocolate version, which right as soon as I opened up the package, I could smell chocolate. It was like a chocolate overload. So I'll give it a squish. Oh my goodness, that's so soft. Kind of hard to see, and it's so slow rising. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna open it, and it's sealed at the top. So yeah. Oh, it's very airy. I did notice a little defect when I squished it. Right there. Oh, it's hard to see. But it's on Deliteful Boutique's website. It said that it may have minor cracking or defects just because of the manufacturer, but this is how they received it. So it really isn't Deliteful Boutique's fault. It's more of iBloom's fault. But I mean, it's probably gonna get defects there anyway, so it's not a big deal. It just kind of is a little bit of a bummer. But it's very slow rising, but it's not too slow rising. love it so much. And the smell, by the way, it has a hint of a Chinese plastic smell, which is what me and my mom call when it has a plasticky smell, and it comes from China, which in this case it comes from Australia, but it was made in China, or it was made in Tokyo, so it was made in Japan. Still has Chinese plastic. And yeah, so it has like a faint hint of Chinese plastic. But when you smell it, like up close, that's what it smells like. When you smell it from a distance, it smells like chocolate. And this room is probably gonna smell just like chocolate. Oh, shook. Okay, I did not just say shook. I am not like so kawaii or purple banana 25. I am so happy. And the air when it's airy, it like when the air comes, it's like a big whiff of chocolate. It smells amazing. So yeah, subscribe so you can see when I upload those and you don't have to look for it. And hit the bell icon so you don't even have to look at my channel. You can just get notified in the notifications. So yeah, please make sure to like, because if you watched it all the way to the end, then that means that you probably liked it. So you should really like it. Like. I don't know what that was. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And peace out, universe. Oh, I am in love. I'm definitely going to be squishing this like a lot because I love it so much. And then I got this little Sonoy the Bear extra. Okay, so all you have to do is post.
Shock.
I am going to get this so defected. Okay, everybody, I am shook. Wow, I'm still filming. That's